one person, one vote, when we can expect one nation, one poll?
Okay, so that's a discussion that is happening. I don't think the current government has the majority to pass that in parliament, because some political leaders think that it's not appropriate to have all elections at the same time, because then it's advantageous to an incumbent. It doesn't give the space, the resources, the timelines for others to compete fairly. It's a issue under discussion, but my own view, I come from the opposition. I feel that unless everybody is on board, it could be staggered, it could be tested, but you can't just force that upon the country without having enough majority in parliament. It will not happen.
True, sir. We fully agree.
And I think that one nation, one election, we have now a government which is not a full majority government, it's a coalition government. So there are coalition partners within the NDA, Mr. Nitish Kumar, Mr. Chandrababu Naidu, where there's delimitation, where there's one nation, one election. It has now to pass all those hurdles and then come to fruition.
True, sir. Well said. But when there is a will, there is a change, sir. Because it's going to save quite a lot of money for the Indian economy itself when there is one nation, one poll. Because over every 6 months, there is an election is happening in the country. And parties are giving free revenue and so many other things for each and every elections. So if there is one nation, one poll, it saves quite a lot of money for the economy and it improves a lot. Okay, your point is very well noted.
Last
sir.
point. You say a lot of money. The total cost of the election is not even 0.5% of GDP, not even half, or maybe 0.3%. So I think we have to take into account such a large country, different seasons, festivals, populations, communities. Election Commission has to be alive to the fact that kab Pongal hai, kab Holi hai, kab Diwali hai, kab Eid hai. You know, these are things that are very practical. And you just, because it sounds like a good idea ki kuch paise bach jayenge, but what about if participation is low, if involvement is low, if people are not happy to accept it, you can't push it down. So there has to be consensus. To save some money, you can't, see, I'll tell you, our neighbors, China and Pakistan, are not democratic that sense, right? But वहाँ भी सरकार चल रही है. चीन में तो कोई इलेक्शन होता नहीं है. वहाँ पे तो खर्चा होता नहीं इलेक्शन का. You can say that's another option. So, I think he's a cost accountant, right? So he's trying to see. Let's prorate the cost of elections versus the economy, and let's see how we can cut down the, the DCFs करके आप बिल्कुल खर्चा NPV 0 कर दो उसका.